everyone, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm basically just going to go really quickly through how you can earn $20 quickly and easily just by taking easy surveys. This is one of my favorite sites to earn money on, so I'm going to get right to the point. It's called Paid Viewpoint. This is technically a survey site where you take surveys and earn money. But unlike all the other survey sites out there, I don't know if you've done them in the past, but they really frustrate me, and this one is not like that. The ones that I've done in the past have this survey before the survey, and it's very frustrating because half the time you go through all these questions, and then you find out at the end that, oh, sorry, you're the wrong demographic for our survey. Try again. And it's like, well, why did I just waste all that time? This one does not do that, okay? You're going to earn money no matter what. The surveys that you're taking pay out every time, and you're taking the survey. It's not the survey before the survey. So you don't have to qualify, in other words. That's why I love this. It's just real easy, and you honestly get a lot of surveys. If you could keep this, what I do is I keep this page open in one of my tabs at all times when I'm working online, and it'll pop up and show me that I have a survey to do. Here, you can see it right here. This is my dashboard, and right here it says I have 2 surveys. And if you're working on some other tab, the tab is going to show you that you have one available, so you can just go over to it real quick. So let me just tell you a little bit about it. What you're going to do is when you first start out and you sign up, you're going to go through your demographics right here, and you're going to fill out all the information. It's going to ask you, are you married? How many children do you have? What's your income? It's just going to get some information from you so it knows what surveys to send you, basically. So fill that out, honestly. And once you do that, then you're going to start getting some surveys. If you'll see right up here, it's called your trait score, and mine's full, 10,000. When you first start, you won't be at this number. So give it some time. Just, daily log into this site and work on getting your trait score all the way up. And once you do that, then you're really going to get the surveys. That's the key to this, okay? So I would say don't give up right away. You're going to be given these small little surveys, and eventually it'll bring up your trait score. It's basically an honesty score. You're answering your questions correctly. You're, that you build up kind of a trust with the survey site, okay? Now, you don't have to wait till this is all the way full or anything, but that's just going to give you a better surveys and more of them at a time. So definitely just work on that, and once you get this all the way full, you're definitely good to go. And you can earn $20 over and over and over again. The reason I say 20 is because today we're going to cash out my 20 here, but you can cash out as low as $5, I think. It used to be 10. I think they just recently lowered it to 5. Don't quote me on that, but it's so easy to get up to $5 just like that. So that's not a problem, but I currently just wait. Personally, I wait a little bit longer till I have about 20. It just makes sense. All right, so let me show you one of these surveys. It says we have 2 available. I'm going to go through these. And this is what it looks like. It's always going to look like this screen right here. It's not going to bring you to another page. As you can see, we're still here within my kind of dashboard area. It doesn't bring you to another site altogether. That's another reason I absolutely love this platform. Okay, so let's go through the questions. Is your home internet download speed whatever? Yes. I don't actually know, to be honest. Where do you frequently purchase clothing from? I'm just going to go through it and answer these, whatever it might be. Have you coped with or helped someone else cope with any of the following conditions? Okay, this is a common one, I'll be honest, and it lists all these different things. So we're just going to go snoring. Are you a school teacher? Nope. Now this comes back to your trait score. I'm not a school teacher, and they know that because when they were asking me the original demographic questions, I did not say that I was a school teacher. So, these are the things that you want to be honest about. What language do you speak most often? Okay. Which of the following statements best describes your involvement in shopping for groceries for your household? do all of it. Do you collect any of the following items as a hobby? Not really. Which of the following banks do you have an account with? Which of the following accounts do you have today? Okay, so let's go through this. See how easy these questions are? It's just checking them off as you go. Let's see. Which of the following types of alcoholic beverages have you consumed in the past 30 days? Beer and wine. Which of any of the following products do you use regularly? How many of the dirty dishes in your house that get washed by hand do you personally wash? Okay, I'm going to stop right here real quick. I don't know if you notice this little blue bar right here. And down here it says about 2 minutes. So that's how long it's going to take to do this particular survey. So those original questions were just gathering a little bit of information. And a lot of times it'll end at those 12 questions that we just did. And you'll get about 10 cents. Doesn't sound like a whole lot, but it's okay because those are so easy, right? So now we're going into one that's going to probably pay out a little bit more. So let's read through this. How many of the dirty dishes in your house get washed by hand do you personally wash? All of them. And you see the little blue bars moving along here, and we got to go all the way over here. Which one brand of dish soap have you used most often in the past 6 months? Okay. Now this usually doesn't take this long. I'm kind of since I'm walking through it with you, it's taking me a little bit longer. All right, please read. On the next screen, you will be shown an image about Dawn Platinum Dish Soap, and then ask a series of questions. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to kind of take a look at what it has. It removes 99% grease and food residue. It's got an easy squeeze. Looks like it's upside down so that all the product comes out. So now we go to the next screen. Based on the image that we just saw, which of the following statements best describes how you feel about buying Dawn Platinum Dish Soap? Okay, I might or might not buy it. Depends on the price, I guess. In as much detail as possible, could you please write down all the thoughts and ideas and reactions that went through your mind while viewing the image? Okay, okay, you can write however you feel about the product. How much do you agree or disagree with the following statements regarding Dawn Platinum Dish Soap? Okay, so we're going to go down here. The product benefits are relevant to me. The product benefits are believable. Pretty much. The ad tells me something new about Dawn. Not really. The product benefits are clear to me. Yes. Oops. This is a product which I'm willing to pay more for. No. This product is a good value. This is a superior product. Not sure. Okay. See, and we're almost done up here. Please indicate all the stores where you yourself have purchased hand dish soap in the past 6 months. Okay. Mostly grocery stores. Okay, and so that was the end of that survey. And here you go. Thanks to your awesome 10,000 points trait score, which is what we talked about before up here, you just earned 39 cents. Way more than the average earning for the survey. So when you first start out, just keep that in mind. You are going to earn a little bit less. That's why it's important to get this trait score up. I've had mine at 10,000 for I don't even know how many years. And so once I got it up there, which did not take that long, I would say maybe a couple of months, and I wasn't even logging in every day, but if you utilize that strategy, you're probably going to get up there a lot faster. And then after that, you're gold. That short little time, which took that one probably took a total of about 4 minutes, maybe less because I was going with it through, I was going through it with you. I do these a whole lot faster when I'm not recording and talking about it. But anyway, an easy almost 40 cents just for that. And I still have one more here to do. And that's going to be it. I've seen them as high as sometimes I've, $1.25 or, 70 something cents. I have one more to do, but I'm going to show you real quick how to cash out. You can either go up here or you can go back to your dashboard, which we'll do real quick. And this little money sign is your earnings. And here's the cash out area. I'm going to go over it with you really quickly. So these are the rewards you can earn in most places. Some countries I think are different, so don't think that depending on if you're a different country. I'm in America, so this is what I get. But so PayPal, you just set up your PayPal. An Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, an eBay, a CVS gift card, Target gift card. These are all really great, especially if you don't have a PayPal. I personally do PayPal every time, but that's just me. I've done the Amazon gift cards as well. I like to do that kind of near the holiday season whenever I'm trying to buy gifts for people, because I usually get them on Amazon, and so sometimes I'll just go ahead and get this option. But for today, we're just going to go to PayPal, and as you see, it pops up cash out now via PayPal, which is exactly what we're going to do. And there we go. The piggy bank is broken. Now I'm back down to 0 because I just cashed out. It says, allow for about 72 hours for it to get into your PayPal account. In my experience, it literally comes, if not the day that you do it, the very next day. So that is Paid Viewpoint. Real simple, real easy. And already I have another survey I can start and start adding up my earnings again. And it's just that easy. So if you want to sign up for it, I'll leave a link in the description. And you can sign up. And just remember, like what I said, to keep at it until you get this trait score up. And then you're going to be able to rack in a whole lot of money on a regular basis. So don't get frustrated and just go away. You're going to be losing out on a lot of money. It'll take a little bit of time, a couple of weeks. And like I said, the more that you log in and check it, and just keep at it, the faster you're going to get to this point right here. So that's my big tip to you on that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.